welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. I'm bringing you this review today for pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails, and you will get a code to save 30%. You can also email support at pinkypromise.com if you ever have any wig-related questions. So today I'm going to begin a series where we are going to be talking about Envy's new colors. So I'm wearing Petite Paige by Envy, and this is in one of their brand new colors called Macchiato. It is a beautiful rooted brunette. And I can't wait to tell you more about these gorgeous colors in just a minute. Okay, so as I said, we are starting off with Petite Paige in Macchiato for this series of color spotlights for these brand new Envy colors. So these colors are just really, really pretty. As you can see, this is their little flyer for it, and they have a whole bunch of new gorgeous rooted shades. This particular one, I'll show you the picture, is right here. This is the Macchiato. And of course, I am showing it to you on the Petite Paige. I have always wanted to try Petite Paige. She is such a cute little wig, and there's lots of reviews on her. I will show you her interior cap and stuff like that, you know, just to go over her real quick. But we mostly want to focus on this beautiful brunette. So I'm going to do a turn so you can see it all the way around, and then we'll get into, you know, her specs and this beautiful color. So here's my left, the back, my right, and back to the front. So I just happened to have an overcast day, so I opened up the shade, and I'm doing more natural light versus the, you know, box lights and the bright lights. So, and I felt like it was really, really showing on camera this beautiful color very, very nicely. So as far as Petite Paige, just real quick, she has a 4-inch measurement here in the front. She is 11 inches from the crown. She has 6.5-inch sides, and her nape back here is 4 inches. She has a left mono part, but she has no lace front. So she just has this bang that covers your forehead. You know, you're never gonna need to see a lace front. I have good coverage. As I said, this is a petite cap, so fitting me very, very nicely. Really, really snug and very, very comfortable. Okay, so let's start talking about this color. This is the Macchiato Rooted, and the description for Macchiato Rooted is a natural blend of chestnut brown and medium brown with soft light brown highlights and dark brown roots. So you can see there is some rooting here at the part, but these highlights are just so pretty. The color is just gorgeous. Very pretty. I love this brunette. I love the dimension. I love that they're calling these dimensional shades, rooted, dimensional, you know, very, very pretty. Lots of color. Looks like you've had a nice day at the salon. Okay, here's the color with exclusively just light that's coming through the window. I did have my ring light on. So the highlights aren't popping quite as much. So you can see that just in certain lighting, that highlight is going to pop. You can still see them. And we'll go outside and look, of course, also. Such a cute cut. What a cute bob with a bang. Adorable. Okay, so here we are outside. See, the rooting really shows outside. It's very pretty. And then you go into these beautiful medium browns, chestnut brown, light brown highlight. Pretty. So now we're out here in full natural light. Isn't that beautiful? Overcast days are the best for showing shades. Just love it. Okay, so here's the interior cap. There's that left mono part. That's the only area of monofilament. Then she's got the they're open, actually, no, lace covered, sorry. I thought they were open wefted. Ear tabs. Plenty of hair for off the face styling. Open wefted all through the cap. She has pull adjusters. She does not have an extended nape. She just has flower lace here. Plenty of stretch in the cap, but this is considered petite. Okay, so as you can see, Petite Paige is super cute, and this macchiato is just a gorgeous color. So I'll do just a little tiny bit of styling on her. You know, she's low density, so you can easily tuck her behind the ears. Glasses are super easy. Go up on the head really easily. She's low down. I don't feel any permatease in this wig at all. So she's really cute, you know, with a headband. She has the length for going half up and half down. And then you could just pull down these little bangs, you know, to cover those edges. She does have a little bit of length back here for a tiny ponytail, if you just wanted to get the fibers up off your neck. But she's, you know, she's pretty short, so you probably wouldn't really need to do that. But you could do it if you wanted to. And you could pull a little bit more of this down around your face, you know. So maybe put her in a little twist even, you know, with a little clip. That would be cute. So she's really, really, really cute. I love her. Anyway, thank you so much to Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all today. There will be purchase information below this video. Thanks so much for watching, and take care of yourselves. Until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.